Go to the outliner and open the camera. To move around in your scene with the orbit camera, use the mouse. Left-click to rotate the camera. The mouse wheel to zoom in and out. And the right-click to pan. To focus the camera into an asset, open the Properties node and click on Focus Element. Now, the camera will rotate and focus based on where the pivot point is. On top of the Properties node, you will find a couple of options. Select Set from View and a notification will pop up that the position is registered. So if you leave your scene in any other location and go back into your scene again, it will load from the set position. That's it. Thank you for watching. Till next time.